Stop obsessing over specs. Start obsessing over experience. Show your face, tell a story. Let the client know who they're stepping in front of. The hard part is that if you hide behind your work and you never show yourself, you are replaceable. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Everyone is talking about how AI is going to replace photographers and videographers. I want to stop you guys right there. We've been having this chat in the Discord and everyone feels like, oh my gosh, where does this leave my job? If I'm gonna be honest, if all you do is click a shutter and you hide behind your pictures, then AI will definitely replace you. But if you are able to give your clients an experience that they will never forget, AI does not stand a chance against you, because clients book people who just want to spend $20 and get a quick pretty image. They can go to AI. But people who want to document their milestones and memories will come to a photographer. All right. So I want to break down why your value isn't in your camera. While it's not in your lens, it's not in your gear, it's not how many megapixels that you have. It's you as the photographer. Let's get into the gear myth, right? Everybody thinks that gear matters way more than it actually does. So for years, we've been told to buy into that new camera lens, that new body, whatever it is, that this brand's better than that brand's, that when we buy this lens, it's gonna be the sharpest lens, that when we buy this light, it's gonna be the best light in our kit, aside from the 8200, because it is. I bought into it myself. I saved up for the Sony, got the Sony, and realized that I didn't even really need the Sony. I got the Sony because of other photographers were looking down my back. It wasn't even my clients, all right? Your clients do not care about your camera. They don't care if it costs $2,000 or $20. They care about the vibe that you give them when they walk into your shoot. They care about the vibe and the feelings of how you make them feel when they come to your session. They care about the experience. They care that you notice when they're nervous. They care that you can crack a joke to make them laugh, so that way their shoulders can drop a little bit and that the whole look comes alive. That's what they care about. The gear is what will capture the image, right? But you have to create the image and you create the memory with that client. All right, nobody else, nothing else, AI cannot create a lasting memory. AI can create a few pixels and a few frames of fragmented imagination, but it cannot create a real life memory. All right, for $20 and a subscription to ChatGPT, Midjourney, or whatever, someone can literally type in a prompt and generate a picture that looks real enough to post on Instagram, but it's still gonna have that little AI generated tag up top. Regardless, it's not them. This is gonna relive the catfish wave, right? It's fast, it's cheap, and to me it's scary. The thing that AI can't do though is it can't make a client feel beautiful after they're having a bad day. All right, it can't give off that vibe. It can't suggest a pose that flatters their particular and unique body type. Right, it can't walk you through a location, find a perfect angle, find a perfect spot, wait for golden hour, know the exact moment to click the shutter button. AI can only create the pixels. It cannot create a lived moment. It can only create the pixels, not a lived moment. So being afraid of AI, you shouldn't, because you have to lean into your personality now more than ever as a photographer, right? Experience is everything. People do not just hire the photographer for pictures, they hire the photographer for the experience. Just this week, literally just a few minutes ago, I got off the phone with a client. They booked me. A client last week booked me for their birthday. They didn't have a party, they didn't have a big dinner or nothing like that. They did a photo shoot, right? The photo shoot was a celebration. I just had a client book me for a wedding because of how I promote and show myself online. The experience that I show them online is what gave them enough confidence to call me and book me. Connection, story, memory. These are things that they can carry for life. When a client laughs at one of my corny jokes or one of my gestures or something that I do, it makes them relax into a pose. AI can never replicate that. AI can never make them look candid, right? AI can't travel to a destination for a shoot, right? It can't capture the exact second that the wind hits their dress. AI will never even be able to feel that breeze. Your energy, your presence, your ability to make someone feel comfortable. That is the product. That's what you're selling. And I'm sorry to talk so crazy about this, so passionate, but I've been seeing it all over my threads, all over everywhere. Everybody creating these AI images, especially when it's becoming up spooky season. They're creating all these AI images that are just a $20 subscription. It's like a fuck you to photographers. So the hard part is that if you hide behind your work and you never show yourself, you are replaceable. You are duplicatable, right? If your Instagram feed is nothing but photos, no personality, no nothing, clients won't even know or care about who made them. You could be AI your damn self, right? You have to they'll find someone cheaper or even an AI prompt. But when you bring yourself, your quirks, your human, your human ability, your humor, your perspective, you become non-duplicatable. No one can copy your vibe. No one can copy the way that you make people feel. You become induplicatable. If you're a part of the PNG culture community, you know what that means. You become induplicatable. You cannot be duplicated, bro. But if you hide behind your pictures, you can. Stop obsessing over specs. Start obsessing over experience. Show your face. Tell a story. Let the client know who they're stepping in front of. Let the client know whose camera they're in front of. Because the future belongs to the photographer who can sell a feeling and not just a file type. Not just a PNG, not just a JPEG, not just a RAW. AI can make the image, but you have to be able to make a memory. AI can make an image, curate an image, pixelate an image, but you make a memory. You document that fragment in time for that client to attach these photos to a physical milestone within their life that AI cannot do. Stop running from AI. Start learning how to implement it into your photography. Join the PNG culture community down below. I also have the Patreon if you guys want to get even deeper to learn how you can take your photography to that next level, implementing AI, using AI, and how you can create content as a photographer to overall better yourself as an individual, to be able to be seen and promoted better online. I just got booked right now. I got a call during this video because a client answered the phone and said, "Oh my God, is this Taxi? I see you on TikTok. I just love how much you care for your clients." I'm gonna keep telling y'all this, and you guys aren't, it's not clicking. Don't be afraid of AI. One, find out how to use it, how to implement it, how to help it scale and level up your brand. One. Two, maybe you don't even think about AI at all. Focus on your experience. AI cannot give a person a lived experience. We are all living and breathing. Humans connect with humans. Like minds connect with like minds, right? Y'all got this, bro. I love you guys. Join the Discord down below. Until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't